The new 2025 Toyota Fortuner Hybrid is revealed. A revolutionary update. Toyota enthusiasts, get ready for a game-changing update to one of Latin America's most beloved SUVs. The Toyota Fortuner, also known as SW4 in some markets, is set to receive a revolutionary update with the introduction of a mild hybrid engine. This sibling of the iconic Hilux is about to transform our understanding of efficiency and performance in the SUV segment. Welcome to Auto V-Fix, our YouTube channel exclusively dedicated to all things automotive. In today's video, we will reveal the new 2025 Toyota Fortuner Hybrid. Key highlights of the 2025 Toyota Fortuner Hybrid. Powertrain specifications. Engine, 2.8L, 4-cylinder turbo diesel. Power output, 201 horsepower. Torque, 500 Nm. Transmission, 6-speed automatic. Drivetrain, all-wheel drive. Hybrid system. Type, mild hybrid with a 48-volt system. Additional power, approximately 16 horsepower. Extra torque, 65 Nm. Efficiency improvement, 5–10% claimed by Toyota. Features and benefits. 1. Engine shutoff in traffic for reduced consumption. 2. Electric motor assistance for improved performance. 3. Enhanced efficiency without major structural modifications. 4. Potential tax benefits due to hybrid classification. The hybrid revolution. The introduction of the hybrid powertrain to the Fortuner isn't surprising, considering Toyota's recent launch of the hybrid Hilux in Europe. This move signifies Toyota's commitment to electrification across its lineup, even in robust off-road capable vehicles. Advantages of the mild hybrid system: improved fuel efficiency, enhanced performance, especially in demanding situations, reduced emissions, minimal changes to the existing vehicle structure. Design and equipment. While the hybrid system is the star of the show, Fortuner Hybrid also receives some notable updates. 1. Revised instrument cluster displaying hybrid system information. 2. Toyota's characteristic battery use and efficiency graphics. Market availability. Currently, the hybrid version is exclusive to the South African market. However, Toyota is likely considering launching this model in other markets, particularly in Latin America, where the Fortuner SW4 has a strong following. The bigger picture: Toyota's hybrid push. The Fortuner isn't the only Toyota model receiving the hybrid treatment. The RAV4 2025 is also set to receive a significant update with a plug-in hybrid version. This demonstrates Toyota's broader strategy to electrify its entire lineup, offering more eco-friendly options across different vehicle segments. In conclusion, the 2025 Toyota Fortuner Hybrid represents a significant step forward in the evolution of rugged, capable SUVs. By combining the robust performance that the Fortuner is known for with advanced hybrid technology, Toyota is setting a new standard for efficiency and performance in the segment. This update not only improves the Fortuner's capabilities, but also aligns with global trends towards more sustainable transportation options. As we await further details on its launch in other markets, it's clear that the 2025 Fortuner Hybrid is poised to make a significant impact in the SUV landscape. Stay tuned for more updates and be among the first to experience the future of driving with the 2025 Toyota Fortuner Hybrid. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more DIY automotive content, and hit that notification bell. Drop your comments below. Until next time, stay safe and happy driving.